What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a video like this. I just recently started doing proper vlogging and blogging for Lewis and Clark College, so that's pretty exciting stuff. And also the lab that I work in on campus just opened back up. So this video, I'll be showing you guys what a typical day in the lab looks like for me. Mind you, this is a biology lab and it's undergraduate research, so it'll be pretty interesting, I hope. And I hope it gives you a good look at what undergraduate research could look like for you at Lewis and Clark. So without further ado, let's just jump right in and I'll take you to lab. So with new COVID guidelines, we have lots of rules coming into the lab. So this is the lab. When you come in, we've got our little whiteboard where we talk to each other. We've got our sink and cleanup station, and then we have 2 workstations right now on either side of the lab bench. And then we have all of our supplies, all of our materials stored. This is my workstation. You'll see what all of these things are later. Yeah, and then here's different research projects posted on the walls and all of our finished data. So what I do is I get to pick different sets of leaf litter, basically, and I put it through this sieve, and it's got stuff from a whole season's worth of tree and forest material that have fallen into whatever trap I am going through. So this is an ecology lab, and if you're curious, it's with Metz. She's a biology professor here on campus. And so basically I just pick a bag and dump it all in there. So this is what it looks like when you dump it in initially. It's just a whole pile of things from the forest. And we have different levels of filtration in this sieve. So we just shake it for as long as feels right. And then it separates everything into different categories of size so that it's easier to sort through. So then I start sorting everything tier by tier. What we're looking for are seeds and cones. This indicates the reproductive habits of a forest. So we're sorting out everything that's not seeds and cones and putting it into its own baggie. And then we have a whole labeling system with little baggies. So then I just put labels on all the different bags for all of the different things that I've found in the sorting process. And so on each of these little labels, we put vital information about the bag that we're sorting through. So we put the ID and the year, who's working on it, so it's easy to trace back and ask questions if something doesn't look quite right. And then once I have all of my things labeled, I like to do that first, it just makes it easier. I start to go through the seeds and see which ones are filled and which are unfilled and count them with the clickers. And then I go through and I have to take apart all of these cones looking for little seeds in them to separate out. I feel like a lot of people don't actually know that seeds are in the cones, which is kind of funny because that's their purpose. But anyway, so then I go through that, and all the seeds that I get from the cones, I have to separate and see if they're filled or unfilled as well. And those go in a separate bag because they're cone seeds. And then I double check everything and I can load it all back into this envelope and pretty much just sign my name, sign the date, and send it off to be checked. Put it in a box and someone else weighs it and puts in the data. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful and informative. And yeah, so let me know if you have any topics that you want me to write about for the blog. I'll link the blog down below, or different things you want me to video. I'll still be able to be on campus this next month or so. So let me know if you want anything campus related or student life related, anything like that. Yeah, I'll put my Instagram right here and you can follow me, message me on there if you have specific questions. So you can like and subscribe, leave a comment if you would like to, And thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a lovely day.